Now let's see some of the more options that comes with the table feature. When you click on the table, you will see two new tabs that is related to the table tools called Design tab and Layout tab. If you go under Design tab, you will find multiple layouts or color schemes to choose from. I can select any of that and you can notice that I can select any of them and you can notice that it changes in the background. If I want to see more, just click on more here and there I have multiple layouts. Similarly, if you want to convert this table to the original form, then click on more and select plain tables first option. So this is the original table that we first created. Now if I want to remove that border lines, I can just select the table and then under the design tab, go in borders and click no border. So the border will be there but will not show up in the prints. Press Ctrl Z to undo. Now similarly, in the last video we have seen that if the columns are like this and you want to adjust the column according to their contents, then you don't have to click and select each of them manually to adjust the size. What you can do is just select the whole table, go under Layout tab and click on the drop down of Auto Fit and then select Auto Fit Contents. So it will automatically fit all the contents. Minor adjustments might be needed, but it will adjust most of the content. Similarly, if I select and go under Layout tab, I have multiple options. You can click on Auto Fit Contents, which we have already seen. You can click Auto Fit Window or Fixed Column Width. So these are some of the options. I'll just go to the original one by pressing Ctrl Z. Similarly, if I want to increase or decrease the height or width of a specific column or row, I can just click on that. So you can notice that this row size increases, and if you want to increase the width of it, you can just click up or click down to adjust. Similarly, if I want to distribute rows and columns in equal sizes, I can just select the table and then click on distribute rows first and then distribute columns. So all the column sizes will be equal now. Now let's go back to the formatting that we did earlier. I'll click on Design tab and select my layout and adjust the size a little bit. Adjust the columns. Now if you want to move this table little downwards so that I can write the headings of this table is about, I'll just hold from the corner option. If you notice that if we come under this option, you will see this 4 arrows. That clearly means that you can just hold it from the left click and move it downwards. And then I have the space to write any headings. I can mention like stock details. Now you can notice that it doesn't appear. That's because the color setting is not right. So I'll just change the text color, change it to bold, and that's how you can move the table. Now similarly, if you want to insert only one line above the table, just come under the first character of first heading and then press enter. So you will get a new line. Just delete that. You can instantly get a new line. So there you can mention your heading. So these are some of the adjustments and formatting techniques that you can use for working on tables.